Hey guys, what's up? It's Marissa and I'm at my final location. I'm at a new location, you guys already know. I'm in Korea. This is the first time sitting down and talking really, like in my home. I only moved in, I moved in so recently, so I want to take you guys on a apartment tour, my apartment in Korea. I'm really happy about it personally. I really like it. It's still small depending on where you live, but it's really comfortable for me. Like, it's really nice. Everything I wanted is on here. Other than that wallpaper, it's growing on me, just not for the video, but for my everyday life, this wallpaper, let's see if you can see it. You see it? That right there, that wallpaper. Is growing on me. I just don't like the purple part, but I think I am getting used to everything, so it's okay. Well, actually I like it better like that now. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys around. I don't have makeup on. I'm not supposed to be leaving for a work meeting in like 2 hours, but it's okay because we have plenty of time to do this video and show you guys around the apartment. I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you that. It's really, I think it's really me and I'm really happy about it. So we're gonna go around and we're gonna start at the door. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, follow me on social media down below, and let's go on this journey together. Woo! Okay. Okay, so I'm not gonna go outside because, yeah, I don't want to. No other reason than that. I'm not going outside, but we are gonna start my entry. So it's not common, not really common to have a key lock, but I actually have a key lock. It's actually funny because I have 2 keys because I have a 3-lock system. I'm not in a dangerous neighborhood, I promise. It's just this building was built with a 3-lock system. Yeah, so right when you come in, this is literally, this whole section is my shoe section. So this is where I have like storage for shoes and everything. They have a recycling system here, and you have to put them in different bags and all the other stuff. But before I put them in bags, because I don't have a whole bunch of garbage bags everywhere, I actually use this shelf inside. I put it out here, and I just cardboard, hard plastic, paper, soft plastic, stuff like that. And then I have my purses and everything. So everything here though, it's before you leave. So before you leave, you put on your shoes, you put on your hat and your gloves, you get your bag, you get a mask, because you know, there's a lot of things going on right now, currently. But you get your mask, or it could be yellow dust, and then you go. And coming back in, you put your shoes away, your coat, you put your shoes away, your gloves, your hat, you put your bag down if it's not full, and then you also get some hand sanitizer right before you enter. So now we're entering. And my favorite part too, because I don't like clutter, but stuff like this I do like. So I have the Explore, Dream, and Discover sticker right when you come in, and I absolutely love it. Now we're gonna go straight to your right, and it's the kitchen. So in the kitchen, I have my my rice, seaweed, seasonings, and cans and soups in this cabinet. Next cabinet, I have all my dishes. I have more Tupperware, I guess. Glass and non-glass Tupperware. The next one, which I love this sign as well. It's like chocolate doesn't ask silly question, chocolate understands. And for that one too, I definitely love everything in here because of course it's the drink aisle. So this is where the teas, the coffee, the hot chocolate, everything drink related is on the bottom shelf. On the bottom row, like where we are, I love it because I have a steel countertop, which I'm really happy about. I'm still getting used to the gas system that we have here. So this is how you cut the gas on, cut the stove on, cut the stove off, cut the gas off. I really have to remember that, but it's going okay. And so yes, my counter's not 100% clean for this video, but it's okay because again, I have to go anyway, so that's fine. But yeah, I love my steel countertop, and below honestly it's just pans and pots and cleaning supplies, so I didn't think it was that important. Now, I didn't want you to see the rest. Now it's my bathroom. It looks crazy white right now because my bathroom is white, and I love that because you can really see like how dirty or clean a bathroom is because of the color. So this is a wet bathroom. You have probably heard a lot about wet bathrooms, but this is a wet bathroom. But unlike other people, my bathroom's like double the size. So actually everything doesn't get wet in my bathroom. So this part, this half, is really the shower area. Like literally I can stretch my arms to it. It's really, really wide. I can't even reach the shower head. That's how far it is from the wall. Like it's so much space here, and I have really long arms, guys. By the way, I'm like 5'10", really tall, really long limbs. So for me not to be able to reach, that's really good. I have a nice size mirror. Yeah, I have a really nice size mirror, and I really love the mirror as well. And the sink, my shower, even though, okay, some wet baths, the shower head is connected to the sink. Mine is not, so I have a separate shower head to my sink. I'm really happy about that. I didn't even notice it though until I took my first shower, but yeah. And then I have a gray toilet. Again, what's up the gray? I love my gray. And then finally my prized possession that came from the US completely is my collection of Bath and Body Works. I think I have 4 to 5 of everything. So I have the rose soap, lotion, perfume, just like I have the blue one. I have the blue soap, perfume, blah, blah. You get what I'm saying, and 1,000 perfect smells. And on the bottom I have my, I guess you could say my drugs. I have my cold medicines, my vitamin C packets, my Benadryl, just in case I have allergic reactions to new foods I try, and I have my vitamins and my face towels. My face towels are in here, but my other towels are not. Okay, now we're gonna continue on with the rest of the kitchen though, actually. So my microwave, my refrigerator are over here, which I'm okay with because I'm not gonna really need this space anyway. And it's next to my clothing aisle. I still am shocked that I only really own like 3 colors really in my wardrobe. And can you guess what those colors are? Gray, pink, white, black. Oh, 4 colors, my bad. But yeah, I don't really have a lot of colors, but it's because like it matches everything, and those are the colors I like to wear. So I don't just wear those colors for the videos. I think some people actually do think that I wear only like pink and grays for my videos. I wear pink and gray for my life, so that's the thing. And also next to it though is a nice window. So for the first like few nights I didn't look out this window, and so when I was changing, I was like, oh crap, can someone see me? And so I don't think anybody can really see me unless they have like binoculars. Okay, next is my living room within the same room. Yes, I know. I have this table. The table was already here. Carpet was already here, couch was already here, ottoman was already here. All this was already here, and even the gray cover for it was already here. Now the pink though is mine. So this table, actually, if you look at it, it's green. How does green go with anything? I don't see it. So what I bought from home, without knowing any of this by the way, I bought a bed skirt, but my bed here is so short that I didn't need my bed skirt, so I used it for something else. Like I was really quick on my feet, and so now it's a table cover, and it's also a cover for that ottoman as well, because it was a 3-part bed skirt, so it's also used on the ottoman as well. I don't think that's the right word for it, but whatever. And so my table, and I'm so lucky because I bought my bed set before I even saw the apartment. Like, what? It's so crazy. And it fits so well with everything. So yeah, I have all this together. It's really comfortable actually. And now we're going into my bed. So this is what I'm talking about. My bed literally goes perfect with everything. Like I was super lucky because again, my favorite color, so no matter what, I wanted the sheet. So I'm really happy about that. Because again, I bought this before. Covers in Korea though are expensive. I spent about $300 on everything without the sheets, because I brought the gray, again, perfect guys. I brought the gray sheets with me from home because people say sheets are expensive here. I didn't know what they were talking about. I am so glad I brought it because my pillow costs 30 bucks and the pillowcase costs 20 bucks, which is why I have one pillow. And the cover was like 150 or more. Oh my gosh, guys, and then Korean style beds are really hard. And so because Korean style beds are really hard, I had to buy a cushion. I bought the best cushion. That was like 150 bucks, like the best cushion. And it's still not really that cushiony, but at least I'm not sleeping on a rock. I'm okay as long as I'm not sleeping on a rock. So yeah, that's my bedding that goes really well with my living room. I might say so myself. I have so many different shades of white, but it's okay. Like, it looks so great. Okay, now moving on to my desk area. Okay, so this is not really working. It doesn't look cute, but I do think it looks way better than the red it used to be. I did not. What's up with this random green, random red? So yeah. I still think this pink is way better than the red. And then I have my makeup section next to my let's start with this. I have my candles. I got my essential oils as well to go in my diffuser. My makeup. I got my jewelry as well. A picture that someone gave me before I left. My talk to me in Korean, the study books, and that's pretty much it. And then next we have my entertainment section, which my TV is not even plugged up, but I want to plug it up because I want to listen to some Korean like news or TV or something, so I just have it in the back of my ear. But you guys are here. This is like your section. The cameras, the tripod is more stuff like on the side as well, but I'm actually using it, so and the headphones and anything else, memory cards, is all there equipment wise. And now this, sorry, that's my lunch I'm about to eat after I'm done with you guys. This is the gold of this house. This is like, without this, I would not survive. Okay, so the top row, mostly the top row is stuff I brought from home. Like certain types of deodorant, tampons, disinfectant wipes, little Bath and Body Works hand sanitizers, which were really cute, to-go lotions. Here I got the baby wipes from Korea. It's like baby wipes, and that's pretty much it. The next one is school supplies. So this is important documents. So my school supplies, important documents on that side. Next is my utility shelf. So that means like you got your tape, you got your rubber bands, you have your batteries and stuff like that. Heavy duty scissors, I'm pretty sure should be in there. And then the final one is my hair stuff. So obviously Koreans don't quite have similar hair like me. So I brought it from home. I brought it from home because yeah, I need my hair supplies. But that's what this shelf is. This shelf is mainly stuff I brought and just a sprinkle of stuff that I bought in Korea. So yep, that's needed. This is basically a whole suitcase. I had a whole suitcase. I had one suitcase of clothes I had one suitcase of clothes and one duffel bag of clothes. And then I had one full suitcase of just like deodorants, candles, soaps, and all that other fun stuff. Oh, and I didn't get to mention, every day I get to look at my little motivational mirror. My motivational mirror. You can't really see it, but it says love yourself, kiss, kiss, kiss. And then over here, it's just motivation every month. So this month is like a boss, or last month is like a boss. And they have brave and beautiful. And you just have a whole bunch of just cute little sayings that you can look at right in the morning. So that is my apartment. Look at it. Yeah, I know. Oh, we didn't talk. One more. We didn't talk about it. We're gonna do that whole spin the thing again. My laundry room. Oh, it's cold in here. It's cold in here. Okay, so this is my laundry room. It's pretty big. My washing machine. And then we don't have a dryer here. Dryers are not common. People have dryers, but it's not common. I have my drying rack. This is where I store my suitcases and my extra bags. I also have my cleaning supplies and my soaps as well. And then my fan for the summer. My view is pretty wide, so I have plenty of sunlight. Other than that part, we've been actually filming though with the natural light of my house. I didn't cut any of the lights on. Hopefully you guys are okay with that. But yeah, and this is evening, so it's not bad at all, I don't think. So you guys have fully saw my apartment. It's small and big at the same time. I know a couple of people who got half this size. They don't have this much floor space. They can't put furniture in other than necessities, and they have to stack things on top of each other. Their kitchen is literally a hallway, where mine is an actual like space. So yeah, we saw the whole, and a lot of people don't have this either. They just have like a little corner and take off your shoes and that's it. I actually have a space. So I'm super lucky to have this apartment, and my neighborhood is pretty, it has stuff around here, but it's still calm. So I really like it. I really like it. So that's it. I hope you guys love the video, and I didn't make you nauseous with all this turning. I hope I didn't make you nauseous with all this turning and this light changing. I know, because some angles are really dark and some angles are really light. But thank you. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to learn how to live, lose your worries, and love yourself. Bye, guys.